Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tashiko. You're so very much welcome. Can you hit that subscribe button if you've not, and if you have, thank you so much. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload new video. So on today's video, I'm just going to show you how I achieved this look, and without any further ado, let's slide, jump or walk into the video. I'm going to start off with this finishing powder just to minimize the oils around my brow area. And then I'm going in with this Davis eyebrow pencil in the number 003. And I'm just aligning my eyebrows. I'm just outlining my eyebrows. And then if your brow area is oily, it's recommended that first you use a finishing powder or a setting powder just to minimize those oils so that you can have an easy time applying your eye pencil. I'm just going to do the same on the other brow. After that, I'm going to use this Illegal brow gel just to fill in. Gel lasts longer compared to an eyebrow pencil, and that's what I'm going to use for today. And I'm applying these very lightly. I'm not being too harsh on it. And then I'm going to use this Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean the bottom part of my eyebrow. After that, I'm going to use Super Stay on the top part because it's easier to blend in a foundation on the top part compared to a concealer. But you can also use a concealer that is your skin shade. And then now I'm just doing the base of my eyeshadow, and I'm using the same Illegal Pro Concealer. And now I'm using this Kara Beauty eyeshadow palette for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use, this is a Morphe palette, and I'm just doing a wing-like eyeshadow look. And now I'm going to use the same concealer just to draw a cut crease. Now I'm going to use this color from the LA Colors After Party eyeshadow palette. I'm just applying that eyeshadow on the areas where I did my cut crease, and I'm using a flat brush for these. Then I'm now going to do my eyeliner, and for eyeliner today I'm using the W7 liquid eyeliner. And now I'm just applying my false lashes. For primer today, I'm going to use this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, and I'm just getting it into my skin. And then I get oily a lot around my T-zone area a few minutes after applying my makeup. So today I'm going to use this Revlon setting powder. And this is just to minimize the movement of the cream, that is the foundation, which tends to move a lot compared to powders. So for foundation today, I'm using the NYX foundation in the shade Cocoa. And I'm applying that using a damp beauty blender. It's now time to highlight, and I'm going to use this Fit Me concealer to highlight. And if you're a beginner, you can just apply as you blend. Like you apply the concealer on your under eyes and then blend that, apply on your forehead and then blend, compared to applying everywhere and then blending later, because some concealers tend to get dry pretty quick, and blending after that can get a little bit tricky. And then don't use too much product. Yes, just a little bit is just enough. And I'm just now blending that, and after that I'm going to use the Revlon setting powder, and then after that I'm going to contour using this Fit Me in the shade 370, just to get my face to have a good structure. I'm now using this fluffy brush just to blend in everything together and to ensure that I don't have any harsh lines. I'm also going to contour my nose, and just to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm using a very small brush for this. Don't use a fluffy brush. It's going to be very difficult for you to achieve a small looking nose. And now for lippy, I'm going to use this Maybelline lipstick. This is how it's looking, and now I'm going to ombre that using this Seductress, also from Maybelline. After that I'm going to use that color that's from Sleek, and now I'm going to use that foundation shade that is in brown. And just look at that, it's looking really good. And now I'm going to use that from Cara Beauty Palette, that's a pink shade, and just look at that. And now for setting spray I'm going to use ELF. And for highlighter I'm also going to use ELF. I just love highlighting, because just look at that, it's really looking good. now I'm done. Just look at that. That's the final look. Tell me your views on this look. Let me know how you see this look. Is it a yay or a nay? Just tell me on the comment section. I really do appreciate. And thank you so much for watching till this far. You're the real OG. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. If you've not subscribed, kindly do me a favor and just hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. You won't be charged even a single cent, but it really does help me a lot. So also give this video a thumbs up. Yes, I'll appreciate. And until next time, I've had fun, and until next time, bye.